Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and this is the Mechlands M75. And it just occurs to me the green screen and with the green on this thing might be creating a weird effect here. But this is the box it comes in. We're going to be opening it up and trying it out right after this. Okay, so I'm told the M75 is a 75% wired mode Hall effect gaming keyboard with knob. So yeah, I'm guessing the 75% goes, that's in the title, right? M75. So this is how it comes here. Nicely wrapped, I must say. And yeah, so you take the sucker off and get on all this stuff. So, oh yeah. Okay, so I'm assuming it's 75% because, wow, okay, this is a really, 75% because it's 75% of what a normal keyboard would be, I think. There's no 10 key on it. I'm not surprised there. And here's the knob. So I'm guessing that can do a lot of great volume control functions. And there's some buttons here along with the ports. So, oh, here we have an off and on. Ooh, am I gonna have to charge this thing? We'll find out. But first, let's take a look at what else is in the box. Oh, actually quite a few things. For oddly enough, there's an insert key, and why is it... Oh, hello. That's strange. There's a delete key here, but there's no insert key. Does anyone use the insert key? I suddenly realized, like, I really don't. So, I mean, back in the 80s, I think I used that, but now I think it defaults to inserting something in whenever you go into... It used to be word processing things. If you typed over something, you just go to it and then type over it. Now I think it just automatically goes insert. So yeah, and then you just delete whatever after it. Weird kind of things I've noticed. Weird. Okay, so here's the instructions. There's that little thing you can use to yank it out. So in case I want to put in the insert key back, which... Where am I going to put that insert key in there? Now that I think about it, all the keys are taken. Anyway. And here's the little switchies. These things are pretty standard. And here's the cord. All right, let's plug it in. Try it out. All right, so I got the cord here. Nothing new, but just plug her the heck in. Hopefully this thing will recognize it right away. This is wired mode. For some reason, it doesn't come with a dongle. I guess that's just kind of how that is. Ooh, and we're already getting some really cool effects here. Oh, shoot. You know what? I'm going to do a demonstration on that, which I probably will with the lights off, because I've been, there's another keyboard that I'm actually reviewing that I had the same problem where it's like I really couldn't give a good demonstration of the lighting effect just with my studio lights. Might have to take it into a different environment for some nice B-roll footage. Oh, okay, remember I said this knob is removable? Well, I realize the lighting's bad, but I just took it off right there. Yeah. Okay, I just put it back on. So how do we do this? I'm not sure. Oh, hey. Got some really cool stuff going on here. Whoa, yeah. Very super cool. I'm loving this. So, how does it type? I think I'm in a different mode here. I need to try again. Okay, it took me a while, but I actually figured out how I could get this to type normally. I like how it feels. Oh yeah, I'm feeling very good about this thing. Feeling super good about this thing. Okay, let's talk about this knob here, eh? Okay, so apparently this knob here controls the volume. Let's see how well it does. Not bad. We got something here that I like. Thank you. I'm just trying to do a review of this keyboard here. Okay, so now that I've done that, let's talk about some of the other features. I'm told that there's a swappable knob. Like, could I take this out and swap it with something else? Do they come with one? Maybe I should check on that. Anyway, so these are probably Hall effect with these are magnetic switches. All right. Once again, I've really got to do my homework as far as coming to what keyboards mean, because I mean, when it comes to switches, and I really don't know what that means. All I know is like, whatever. So these are, if you're into esports, these are apparently customizable functions. So for those that are into that game, that is it. And this is for gaming, that's for sure. Oh, by the way, I forgot to discuss the switches here. When I was having trouble with just getting it to type normally, I tried turning it on and off, and there's the on and off switch here, and there's the Windows and Mac button right there. So it's swappable. So that comes in handy. What else we got here? We have an ultra low 0.128 ms latency and 8K polling rate. I think I'm gonna have to look that up. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna have to, I seriously don't know what that means. I do an unboxing and I talk about it, so yeah. And of course there's the RGB lights, which we've already discussed, and hopefully I've got some good demonstrations of that. So yeah, you know what? I'm gonna type my next report with this thing, because man, it is awesome. I think it's very awesome. Okay. Oh, looks like this has one of these things too, in case you need to. Oh yeah. So for those that like to type at an angle, you can do that at low and small. Not bad at all. We got a lot of great stuff here. Okay, if you want it, you can get it on the Mechlands site for about $69.99. Not a bad deal for a keyboard like this. It's kind of super sweet. Oh yeah, hey. I guess I've got my own plans to deal with this later. But for now, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.